Are you a busy professional that doesn't have time in your hands to make healthy meals? I tell you, this will take just 10 minutes of your time in the morning to make this healthy pie for your breakfast. You can even take it to work as your pack lunch. With just two main ingredients, you can make this delicious pie. Ready? Let's make this delicious broccoli egg pancake. You need one head of broccoli. Cut it and chop as you see me do in the video. I am Juliet Oriri from Vibrant Plate Cuisine and your sneaky chef. So if you are new to my channel, ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell so that you can be the first to receive our next video. This quick dish is a proof that healthy eating does not have to be complicated, but satisfying and easy to prepare. Also, you don't have to break the bank to eat healthily. Now, let's talk how this pancake is an excellent addition to your diet. Broccoli is a nutrition superstar. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and loads of fiber. It's also packed with antioxidants like sulforaphane, which may help support healthy aging and reduce inflammation. Broccoli contributes to bone health, improves digestion, and boosts immunity. Make sure you wash the broccoli first in running water before chopping it. When you are done chopping, pour all into the blender. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can grow a community of healthy eaters. Now it's time to add the onions. You can use a red onions, but I have the white, so I'm using the white onions. You know, onions have its own health benefits, respiratory, heart, and contains antioxidants as well. I love adding chili to spice it up so that it's not too bland. And you know, chili has health benefits as well to your heart health and reducing inflammations. Now, cover it and connect to power and blend it. Just give it a good blend for a few minutes. And no point adding water because our second ingredient is going to add some wetness that we need to eat. One thing I love this blender for is that when you remove the blade, it can become your kneading bowl. Look at how nice it turns. Now you can add salt to taste, and I'm adding black pepper as well. I love black pepper. Now it's time to add our second ingredient, eggs. Eggs are a great source of high quality protein. Eggs provide essential amino acids that your body needs for muscle repair and overall health. They are also rich in choline, which support brain health, and as well as vitamin D and B12 for strong bones and energy levels. Here I am adding just 2 spoons of cornstarch to help in the binding. If you don't like using cornstarch, you can use oat flour. It will do the same. Pour in a few spoons and it will serve as a binding agent. Now it's time to whisk and whisk Mix all the ingredients together until they are fully combined. You also can give it a taste and see if they are to your perfection. Now we head on to cook it. Add some oil on the pan so that it will make it non-stick. Then you pour in the batter to make the pancake. Look at how nice it is. It's making me hungry already. Spread it out and ensure to cook on a low heat so that it cooks slowly and nicely. And keep your eye on it. When one side is cooked, flip over to cook the top side. This is also a good nutrition for our seniors. They will enjoy it, even those that have compromise showing ability. This is soft and they can eat it. It's healthy and nourishing with load of fibers that can help gut health and help anyone to go. Look at it. Oh my God. You need to eat this. So try it, make it at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. Don't forget to give us feedback so that I know how